How to disable or enable error colors for subtitles. To begin, I opened a subtitle and you can see some error codes which appeared in this red color. Go to Options, Settings and Syntax Coloring. You can see that the duration of this line is less than 1 second, and Subtitle Edit colorized it. If I uncheck this option, this cell is no longer in color. The next option is for cells with long duration. For me, this duration is 5 seconds. You also have the option to color the text if it's too long or more than 2 lines. So, one of my subtitles have 3 lines and it is in red. Here I have 2 lines with time codes overlapping and Subtitle Edit mark them for me. You also have the option to color the gap if it is shorter than a value. You can change these durations and gap values in settings. You also have the option to change the error color. To change settings back to original, just click on Restore Default Settings. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.